Hi all, welcome to OneCast live session. Today we are here to discuss on why to start a career in SAP or a career in SAP. To discuss this, we have to first talk about SAP. Now people always used to call it as SAP, which is not right. We have to call it as SAP and it stands for System Application Product in Data Processing. SAP is an ERP. It was invented in Germany in 1972 by IBM employees. Its core focus was business process automation by enterprise resource planning. Today, their solutions support manufacturing, finance, sales, and almost any other process in a business. Now, when we talk about SAP, it's not just a company or software. It is a product used by very best companies around the world. Now, we earlier talked about ERP, but what is an ERP and how does it work in industry scenarios? ERP is the integrated management of a business processes in real time. Let's take a business example. Suppose if you want to buy a car and you are going to a car showroom. So let us see what is the process happening there.
You go through the specifications and select a car. The sales team sends you a quotation. Based on that, you place your order for the car. Now that you have placed your order, the production team has to manufacture the car, the procurement team has to purchase the materials for the production, the finance team has to release the needed funds, and the human resource team has to allocate the manpower. Also, after production is complete, you have to send it for testing, then deliver the car to the showroom, and then finally you get the car. So you can see the process to buy a car goes through multiple teams who will have multiple things to do and would need to develop multiple reports also.
And that is why there is a need to connect all the different departments through a single software, and hence we use an ERP, and the market leader in ERP is SAP. Now let us watch a video on SAP and its presence in the world.
SAP has 65% market share in ERP. It is the market leader in ERP. SAP has 413,000 customers in 188 countries. SAP has 1,600 plus partners spread globally. 13 million plus SAP certified professionals worldwide.
And that gives you the importance of an SAP in an organization and also in the society. Whereas now we have to see the sectors that are using SAP like. So we have some ideas on SAP. Let us see something about the uses of SAP on different sectors, and here we go.
About SAP, it is the world's largest provider of enterprise application software. For the world, 74% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. For business, SAP customers represent 98% of the top 100 most valued brands in the world. 87% of Forbes Global 2000 are part of SAP. For people, mobile solution from SAP reach 97% of the world's mobile subscribers via text messaging.
Now basically you have seen the overview of SAP, like what is SAP and what is ERP and how the business is evolved through ERP and who is the market leader in ERP is SAP. So everything we have seen. Now we have some curiosity like what are the opportunities that are available in and around SAP. So here we can see the opportunities in SAP.
Approx. Employee base on SAP skills in India. Inside top 20 system integrators. Number of SAP skills employed, 1.17 lakh. Rest 1,600 partners. Number of SAP skills employed, 80,000. Total SAP skill base is approx 1.97 lakh. Calculation of fresher requirement in India on SAP domain approx. Total employee in SAP practice equals 1.97 lakh. Standard attrition every year 25% equals 49,000. Headcount fill plus new manpower requirement of 10% every year equals 49,000 plus 20,000 equals 79,000. 30% fresher requirement out of total 79,000 equals 28,000. Average salary roadmap. fresher salary approx. 350,000. Salary after 2 years approx. 450,000. Salary after 6 years approx. 750,000. Salary after 10 years approx. 1,500,000. Salary after 14 years approx. 2,200,000. Some facts on SAP consultant salary. Average entry-level salary, 483,000, and other details can be seen on the screen.
And yes, for your information, you have seen the approximate employee base of SAP skill in India, whereas you have seen the calculation of freshers requirement and also average salary roadmap, and also you have seen the basic salary of SAP consultant. Now you will have something in mind that what are the modules that are available in SAP, where which module that can be suitable for me as a consultant. If I want to become a consultant, you will have some questions. So basically I can say my own example. I am coming from my finance background, where I was working in a banking sector, and I got some knowledge in banking sector as well as in finance. So I just chose a module called finance, so which is called as FI in SAP 10. Like that you can choose yours. Like basically we can say it as two kinds. One thing is called technical module and the other thing is called functional module. When we talk about technical module, it is an IT programming inside SAP. So there are modules like ABAP, Basis, Fiori, which are catered to technical users. So the people who are coming from a coding background or programming background, they can choose anything which is related to their subject knowledge. Whereas when you are talking about the functional knowledge, people who have a knowledge in finance, sales, human resource and procurement, people who are coming from their sales background, they can choose a sales as a module, and the people who are coming from a finance background, they can choose a finance as a module. So like that you can choose on your own. So there are more than 500 modules that are available in SAP. You can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. You can simply fill the form in our contact us page. And next, when we are talking about the opportunities, you will basically have an idea of what are the career paths that are available in SAP. So here you can see the career path that are available in SAP.
You can choose from multiple careers in SAP. There are basically 5 opportunities in the SAP ecosystem: consulting, support, sales or pre-sales, project management, and business user. You can start your career as a technical consultant, functional consultant, or a business user. You can see on the screen how you can further progress in your career. So kickstart your career across SAP ecosystem.
Now, before explaining the career path, let me show the modules that are available in SAP. Here you can see.
Technical modules are the programmings inside SAP. There are modules like ABAP, Basis, Fiori, which are catered to technical users. Functional modules are specific to each business specification, be it sales, finance, procurement, human resource, etc. SAP has a module for each. There are more than 500 modules in SAP. You can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. Simply fill the form in our Contact Us page. And yes, you have seen the multiple career path and also the modules that are available in SAP. So when we talk about the multiple career path, SAP ecosystem has different kind of things. Like when we talk about consulting, we can talk about supports, we can talk about sales, project management and business users. So you can start your career from business users. So from that you can gain an experience. You can go for a consultant. From that experience you can go for a senior consultant, and after that you can go for a team lead. And if you want to do some freelancing from your previous experience, you can do that. And finally you can do a trainer as a job. And yes, when we talk about the training and learning, here we talk about the training things. One of the most important mode of training is Learning Hub. It is through the Learning Hub. So Learning Hub is used everywhere across the world. So let us see how Learning Hub works.
With the award-winning SAP Learning Hub, SAP has made it possible for you to learn simple. Our cloud-based solution offers 24/7 unlimited access to high-quality content. And as soon as you start your subscription, you can interact with SAP experts and instructors via our learning rooms, who will guide and shape your learning journey for you. But did you know we have an edition of SAP Learning Hub for everyone? For those of you in higher education looking for a head start to your SAP career, you can sign up to the Student Edition through your university or college. The focus is on key solution areas to help you hit the ground running straight after graduation in your career in the SAP world. People who wish to learn more about SAP or who are SAP users already and looking to upskill should look at the Business User Edition. Overview courses, simulations of thousands of SAP transactions, learning rooms and more, and all at a very affordable price. Designed for professionals who implement and run SAP solutions, the Customer Edition of SAP Learning Hub has over 75 separate learning rooms, covering all aspects of SAP and offering access to over 4,500 training titles. It also includes everything you need to study for SAP certification, the mark of a true SAP professional. And for those larger customers and partners who want to personalize and add their own content to SAP Learning Hub, we offer the Enterprise and User Adoption Editions. The Enterprise Edition offers all the social learning and content from the Customer Edition, but includes greater reporting functionality, as well as the option to upload your own content. Organizations can also brand the platform to further personalize the learning experience for their teams. And for organizations that have a large number of users to train and keep up to speed, we introduce the newest member of the family, the User Adoption Edition. In addition to all the great end-user training content you would expect from SAP, tools and services are included to help you create and distribute content to end users, providing a one-stop solution for all their training needs. Of course, we wouldn't expect you to buy before you try, so we're pleased to offer you the Discovery Edition, completely free access to a growing range of titles and learning rooms, enabling you to experience the benefits of SAP Learning Hub. So, what are you waiting for? With an SAP Learning Hub edition for everyone, why not sign up and change the way you learn today? Visit us today to find out more.
And yes, now we have seen from the scratch what is an ERP and who is the market leader and what are the presence of SAP in the world and what are the users and different sectors, and of course we have seen the opportunities, and finally we have seen the career path, everything, and how Dextler is going to help you out for your SAP career. Here you can see. So the first thing is we will give the Learning Hub as a solution that you can use it across the world, wherever you can go you can access. Whereas second thing, we can go for query support to resolve all your queries. If you have any queries regarding all your modules or anything you have, we are here to support you. And the third thing is learning journey for customized learning paths, Adobe Connect sessions with module specific SMEs, assessments for benchmarking, access to job boards on the website. So finally, you can get ready for the global certification. If you have any contact or any questions to ask, you can mail us through our marketing@dextleron.com, whereas you can contact us through our phone number, which is getting displayed. And thank you.